morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to the cabin this morning. Everybody keeps asking, where's Ruby? Where's Ruby? Here's Ruby. Say hi, Ruby. Say hi, Ruby. Hey, good morning, everybody. Ruby's been up here at the cabin. She's been learning the ins and outs of the cabin. She's doing really well. You know, her training taking up a whole lot of time. Even though I'm not going to teach her how to chase rabbits, she's still got to learn. She's still got to learn how to come. She needs to learn how to stay. She needs to learn how to not leave the cabin, even if the doors are wide open. So she's learning all that stuff. You know, you can't jump down, you'll get hurt. But anyway, she's learning all that stuff. You'll be good. You'll be a good dog. Got to keep her from chewing on stuff, being a puppy. And she has no idea about space. She thinks it's okay to get in your space all the time. Don't you? Huh? Don't you? But she's doing really good on her house training. She's about got that down pat. That was very, very easy to do with this particular dog for whatever reason. Maybe it was because we were here at the cabin them first few days and small area to keep an eye on her. So it was really easy to get on her, get her outside. And so that's really been a really big help. Then the next thing, teaching them to come. When you got a dog in the big woods, you really need to teach them how to come to you, because it doesn't take much for them to get interested in either a rabbit running across the yard, or a bird, or a partridge. I've had Annie, I've seen her run down through the woods chasing after a partridge one day. So teaching them how to come is a huge deal. The other thing that's a really good thing to teach beagles is what's called down. Just the word down. When they're chasing a rabbit, sometimes you'd be hunting rabbits with 3 or 4 dogs. So what we'd use the word down. And what that means is you let the rabbit go by, or you shoot the rabbit, and then you get between the rabbit and the beagles, and then you say the word down. And if they all know it, they all down at the same time. And I had 10 or 12 dogs that all knew it very well, because it's more important that they know how to down than about anything else when it's a hunting dog. And they'd all stop dead in their tracks. So that was a really fun thing to watch. So it's another word, you know, most people think of the word down, don't jump up on you. But it's more down if they're you know, just stop them, and then you can walk up to them. So that's another word that Ruby is learning. When it's all said and done, she'll have quite a vocabulary. Annie really did. You stay, you stay, you stay. We're doing a video with you. We're doing a video with you. See? We're doing a video with you. Huh? Yeah, I dug out a ball for her this morning, so she's learning how to play ball, chase a ball. It's good exercise for them up here off the cabin. So she'll have fun out in the yard, just like Annie did, running around the yard chasing her ball. But otherwise than that, she's doing really well. I put her in bed with me this morning after I got up. It was raining, so I slept in a little bit this morning. And boy, oh man, she spent an hour playing with the top blanket. Pretty near pushed it off to bed. I think she was messing with me. Well, I think she was doing that. When I woke up, the blanket was pushed right up against the wall, so I think she was messing with me. Was you messing with me? You was. You was. But anyways, you guys have been asking about Ruby. There she is. You're doing good, ain't ya? You're doing good. She's a good girl. She's a really good dog. I'm having trouble with her at camp because it's awful hard not to call her Annie. She sits in my lap like Annie did every night. She has got Annie's kennel. So she's got Annie's kennel. So it's awful hard not to say Annie, and then same thing. It's the same routine. You know, before you go to bed, you got to take the dog out. So it's a really same exact routine as having Annie here. Except now we got Ruby. But both dogs are going to be, Annie was special, and so is this one going to be special. So it's good having so many memories of Annie here this week. Ruby has brought out a lot of good memories from Annie, that's for darn sure. Aren't that right? He says, I want to get down now, Paul. I want to get down. I want to get down. Gonna go play with her ball, I guess. All right, you beagle. All right, you say, ready? Say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody. Say goodbye. She doesn't know the word goodbye. She doesn't know the word hello. But she does know the word good morning, Ruby. Good morning, Ruby. You want to play? Ruby, you want to play? Ruby, you want to play? Huh? You want to play? You do. All right, you guys. You guys have a great day. And you got to see a little bit of Ruby. Maybe we'll do some outdoor video with her this evening if it cools down. Not sure. Supposed to have a live stream this evening, so might be tied up with that right after supper. Ain't that right, huh? Have a good day.